My name is Ahana Joshi. My school's name is the Venkateshwar School. I study in class 2C. So today I am going to take interview of my mom. I am sure that she is ready. Please come, mom.
Yeah.
Hi, mom.
Hi, Hannah.
Shall we begin with your interview?
Yes, I'm ready.
What did you love to do when you were of my age?
I loved many things. Like I loved drawing. I loved music. I loved cooking with my mom. I loved helping her in her daily work. And also I loved playing with my brothers and my friends, etc.
Oh, that was a great answer, mom. So shall we begin with second question?
Yeah.
When did you cook for the first time and what was that?
So far I remember is I think I made a tea for my mother, and it was like okay attempt. It was not very good, but my mother loved it, and I was of 5 years old, I guess.
So, mom, I am sure that your mother loved your tea.
Oh, thank you, Anna.
So, shall we begin on third question?
Yeah.
What was your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject was history. As you know, I lived in Maharashtra. I am born and brought up there. So in history, we used to have the stories of great warrior Shivaji Maharaj, and I loved him. So I used to like that all stories. So I just loved that subject.
Oh, so I
You want to know all the stories?
Yes.
Yeah, definitely I will tell you all the stories.
Thank you. So, shall we begin on fourth question?
Yeah.
How was your bond with your brother when you were of my age?
Being a elder sister, as you know, as you are also elder sister, it is you need to be responsible. You need to protect them. You need to teach them if they are wrong. So our bond was really great. We used to share things. We used to fight a lot. We used to play. We used to watch our favorite cartoon channels and all. Also, one thing is, I even as I remember, I scolded them many times. Even I hit them, but we enjoyed our childhood.
Okay. So I want to bond my sister as you do.
Oh, good.
So shall we begin on fifth
Yeah.
question?
Yeah. Next.
What was your reaction then when you saw me for the first time?
That moment was like speechless for me. I was so emotional. Like you were so cute and like a cute angel in my hand. So I just can't express it properly, but I was so happy.
Oh, thank
That
you.
moment was like magical for me.
Thank you. You are also like I was for you.
Oh, thank you.
So let's begin our sixth question.
Yeah.
Did I do anything creepy as kid that scared you?
Yeah, there are so many things which scared me, but the one thing which I will never forget is you were like hardly 1 year old, and I went to washroom and you just locked me inside, and you were not able to open that door, and you were crying outside. I was inside. I was calling you please open it, and you were not able to do that. Then somehow your grandpa, who was in his bedroom, he came out and he heard some noise, and then he opened the door. But it was so scary for me.
I cried because I like you very much.
Oh, thank you, Hannah.
So let's begin on seventh question. What are the top 3 tips that you think I should have while I grow up?
The qualities which I find in you are, the first thing I want in you is you should show humanity to all living beings. Then second thing I want from you is you should respect your elders as well as youngers and your fellow friends. And third thing I think I want from you is you should be a strong lady, strong and fearless lady. Like you should be an ideal for your sister. Okay?
Okay, Mom, I will do that. What did you say?
Yeah, you will definitely do that. I'm sure about that.
Okay, thank you. Bye. Hope you like the video. Bye.